Hello and Assalamu alaikum, this is Asim and I hope you're having a very nice time. Right now I am in one of the forests near Umeå, Sweden. Just for the information, half of the land of Sweden is actually covered in forest. And if I'm not wrong, in whole Europe, Sweden holds the second position whose largest area of land is actually covered in forest. It's safe, it's beautiful, it's calm, it's so peaceful. Anyhow, what we are going to do today is we are going to prepare hot sizzling steak on wood fire near this forest. So let's go and prepare one. So we are here near the forest. There is a beautiful lake and they have also provided this kind of spots where you can cook, do the barbecue or any kind of stuff related to cooking. It's a wonderful place. For a good steak you need a good piece of meat. In this case I'm using lamb, and before we should fry it on wood fire, I've used rock salt and black pepper on both sides to have a good taste. And we are going to put a normal steak pan, put some butter. So our steak is ready. Just look at that. It is crispy from outside and pink from inside. And these French fries taste just amazing. So that's it from my side. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you have any question or comment, please mention it in the comment box. I'll see you soon.